Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Kitija and I like to make jewelry. Actually, I like to make all sorts of like do-yourself things, but I focus on jewelry and this channel is all about that. And here I make all different types of jewelry and show you how I do it, so you don't have to struggle figuring out how to make the items, and also share all the supplies that I use to make the things. If you see a video and you want to purchase something that you see in that video of mine, you can scroll down in description box and you will see all the supplies there. And in today's video I'm gonna make this gorgeous bracelet. It's like a wave, but I made it with these white and gold beads, but if you like put some blue ones it would actually look like a wave, which I think is pretty cool. But it's so easy to make and it looks absolutely gorgeous as well. Look on the wrist, so pretty. I did make it with the bigger beads, so if you have like smaller beads then it's totally fine to make it as well. The only thing you need to make sure that the string or fishing line or whatever you work with goes through the bead at least 3 times, and that's it. Mix and match any colors you like and let's get started. The thing that I will be using are 2 different colors Miyuki beads. These ones are size 8/0, so I have these pearl ones and then like golden color. Then I have some closures. These ones are very basic ones that I got from Amazon just for the videos. Then I have a pair of scissors, 2 pliers, a mat, and then I will be using fishing line size 0.33mm. The size for the fishing line that I am going to take is about 60 centimeters, and that's for the middle part. And then obviously for the waves I'm gonna add some more later on. I took the fishing line, I folded it over, and now I'm just gonna make a knot at the very end. I'm not gonna put the closures on yet because I'm gonna need to add another fishing line later on, but I'm not doing it now because it's just gonna get in my way and I don't want it to get in my way. So now I am going to start by making the middle part of the bracelet, and the way I do it is just take 1 bead and pull each end of the fishing line through opposite side of the bead, like so. And I do that until each end of the fishing line through opposite side of the bead, like this. And you just go like that until you reach probably like 2 centimeters less than your bracelet size. So when you put the closures on, it's your size. And you just keep going like this. Take the bead, put each end of the fishing line through opposite side of the bead, like that. So I make my bracelets about 16 centimeters, and that means that this part I'm gonna do about 14 centimeters. And you just keep going until you reach the size. So I'm just gonna make it until I reach 14 centimeters, and then we can start doing the wave. Okay, so I made that part and I did it to literally 14 centimeters. And now what I'm gonna do is take another part of fishing line and I'm gonna do about 80 centimeters of this one. And now I can take these 2 ends and take the other end of the fishing line that we just cut off, and now we can put them together And then I take one of the fold over crimp ends and just put the fishing lines in, fold them down and like pull them so it goes to the beads, and then you just fold down the sides and just squeeze it really tight, and you cut off the loose ends. And we have done one side of the closure, and we can also right away just take one of the jump rings, put the lobster claw on and put it on the closure. And close it. And now we can start doing the wave. So I will start by putting the fishing line, the new one that we added, put it through the first bead, like so. And now if you take 10 beads and put them on the fishing line, like so. And now you don't count the first white bead, but you count 5 white beads. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you take it on the 6th bead and put it through. So when you pull it, this is how it's gonna look. So you have the first one where the fishing line went through, then you skip 5 beads and put the fishing line through the 6th bead. And now you take 3 more beads, put them on the fishing line, like so. And now you skip one bead and put the fishing line through the next bead. And when you pull it, this is how it looks. And now again, we take 3 beads, put them on the fishing line, like so. And now again you skip 1 white bead and put the fishing line through the next one, like so. And then you pull it, and this is how it looks. And now we take 10 beads again and put them on the fishing line or string or whatever you use. Like so. And then you skip all these beads, and then you skip the next 1 white bead and put it through the next one, like so. And then when you pull it, this is how it looks. And now I take 10 beads again, put them on the fishing line, like so. And again, like we did in the beginning, we skip 5 beads, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and put the fishing line through the 6th bead. And then you pull it. And now you take 3 beads. I told you it's so easy to make, so easy, and it's actually really, really cute. And then you skip 1 bead and put it through the next. Pull it. And again, you take 3 beads, put them on, skip 1 bead, put it through the next, pull it, and this is how it looks. And now again you put 10 beads on, like so, and then you go from the last bead, you skip 1 and put it through the next. Pull it. And this is how it looks. And now we start again. We take 10 beads, put them on, skip 5 beads, and put the fishing line through. And now we go back, pull 3, skip 1 bead, pull through the next. Again, take 3 beads, skip 1 and put it through the next. And then you take again 10 beads, skip the first one, the next, and put it through after. And that's how you keep going until you reach the end. And that's what I'm gonna do, and then we're gonna end the bracelet together. Or if you're making a necklace, it would actually make like a choker. So pretty. Or not even like a choker, you can make it like a longer one that it hangs. So pretty. So I'm gonna make it till the end, and then we will finish it up together. Okay, so I have gotten to the end, kind of. I need to add 2 more beads here so I can like finish it up nicely like I did here in the beginning. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna untie the knot I made in the beginning and just add 2 more beads to it. It's gonna be very tight, but it's okay. Like so. And then I take the last bit and I pull 10 beads on again, and then I put it through the last bead here, pull it, and now I can take the ends and I will put the closure on again. And when you do that, when you fold down the sides a little bit, so they kind of like go together, but it creates like a little triangle. You can just pull the fishing line so it goes like, it doesn't go like sideways like this, but you can just fix it before you squeeze it together. And once you have done it, you just squeeze it. Very, very tight. If you have like good closures, it won't be that much of a problem. And then you can cut off the loose ends again. Take another jump ring, open it up, put it on, and that's your bracelet done. How quick and how easy was that? And as I said before, like if you incorporate like different colors in the wave, like if you do like, if you have different blues, I do have a couple, but I don't like how they look together. It would be so cute, like on the beach or something. So pretty. But yeah, I will put it on the wrist and then show you how it looks on the wrist. Again, you know the drill. Don't mind my other bracelets, but I really struggle taking them off and putting them back on. But this is how it looks on the wrist. I think it's really cute, really cute. So let me know what you think in the comment section, and if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.